Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some pillow covers. They are 18 by 18 inches, and this is what they look like. They are this really soft fabric on top, as you can see. Very pretty. And on the back, it almost looks like a linen type material. Very nice. It's a very sturdy, like the fabric on this is very thick. So you can tell that it's going to be long lasting. So I did get this pure white one, and then I got this one as well. I'll show you that right now, which is this one right here. So it's a black and white. They do match, so you can put them on your couch together just to give it some character. And it's the same type of fabric on this side and that side. And let me go ahead and read what it's made out of. So it is 92% polyester, 8% acrylic, and you can wash by hand, temperature below 30 degrees Celsius, flat dry, low temperature iron, do not bleach, normal dry cleaning, and that is the care for it. But let's go ahead and see what it looks like on my couch. Okay, so this is what the pillows actually look like on my couch. I have that one and then that one over there. I really do like them. They're super soft. It's really good quality, very thick and everything. And it does match my living room really well. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.